In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Zapier. Integrating Slack with Zapier can significantly enhance your workflow by automating repetitive tasks and connecting Slack with various other apps and services. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step to ensure you can set this up without any hiccups. First, you'll want to open Slack. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on the main Slack interface, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a series of icons and options there, and what you're looking for is the three dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on those three dots to reveal additional options. Once you've clicked on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Tools. Clicking on Tools will help you access various features and settings within Slack that are crucial for the integration process. After selecting Tools, your next step is to click on Apps. This will take you to a section where you can browse and manage the different apps available for integration with Slack. Here, you can find a wide range of apps, but today we're focusing on integrating Zapier. With the Apps section open, direct your attention to the search bar. This is where you'll type in Zapier. As you type, Slack will start suggesting options that match your search. Once you see Zapier in the list, click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected Zapier, you should see an option to Add to Slack. Click on Add to Slack to start the integration process. This will prompt Slack to initiate the connection with your Zapier account. This integration allows you to create zaps, which are automated workflows that connect Slack with other apps you use daily. For example, you can set up a zap to automatically post messages in a Slack channel whenever a new task is created in your project management tool, or to send a direct message when you receive an email from a specific sender. The possibilities are vast and can be customized to fit your specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully started integrating Slack with Zapier. This setup will open up new possibilities for automating your work processes, saving you time and enhancing productivity. Remember, the key to a successful integration is to regularly revisit and fine-tune your zaps to ensure they align with your evolving workflow requirements. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident about using Slack and Zapier together. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy automating.